Hey, today I'm going to show you how you can use trim path in After Effects or make some beautiful text animation using trim path. So just let's get started. And for just make a new composition of any size, I'm going for 1920 by 1080p and make a simple composition and start with some text using text tool. Just write some text, remove the fill color and keep the stroke for 2 unit, and after that just go to the layer and right click and click on create shapes from text. It will just convert the text into shapes layer of each individual letters. In the content menu you can see each layer containing a individual layer. Actually that's the shape of each letter. And after that just click on add, go to trim path. After trim path just you will see one more action of trim path, and now you're good to go to do some keyframing. Now just do some keyframe to just start animating, and you can now increase the stroke to 5 or more. Just do some other keyframe so that it can make more beautiful. So let's see what it does, and just you can see a beautiful animation, and you can mess with these kind of things so that you will get your own beautiful animation. And let's do some keyframing and see the result. After some keyframe, and you can see here, do and try some own animation, do some keyframing. You will learn much more than watching. So I hope you just learn something from this video about a stroke in the After Effects. And just feel free to subscribe this channel for the future videos, and thank you for watching. See you in the next.